is emergency broadcast for Outpost 3 by W.D.F. We recently on attack by disassembly drones sent by JCGs and to exterminate us. But don't be in fear, because our leader Condorman create perfectly 3 indestructible doors to protect us from attack by disassembly drones. These doors are made by unknown material, but we can't tell what is that material. With help by surviving drones after attack, you going to learn what is a disassembly drone. Like we said, disassembly drone are type of drone designed to kill us and hunt us. One of survivors tell us disassembly drones flying of 150-300 miles per hour. On end of tail of disassembly drone or is yellow liquid called mannite acid. Mannite acid is highly corrosive and can destroy even drone body. Disassembly drones can switch out the hands for various tools and weapons such as claws, blades, chainsaw, HKMP5 and more. No, after you learn about disassembly drones you must know what to do if you counter a disassembly drone, if you are alone. If you encounter disassembly drone, this is what you need to do. If you find yourself in the same place with disassembly drone, run and don't look back. Leave everything you have. If it is your family member, run and don't look back. And if you corner by disassembly drone, your We hope you understand the importance of this situation what's happening right now, and we want to assure no one go outside of the colony. Good luck, and stay safe.